welcome back to my channel. I'm Misha, for those of you who are new and love a Dollar Tree haul. So we're gonna get right into it. So this evening I stopped in Dollar Tree just to see what was up, and just as usual I found some pretty cool things. Now I didn't go overboard, I didn't buy a whole bunch of crazy stuff, but they did have some pretty cool stuff. So let me show you what I picked up. This might be worth your time, so stick around, and thank you for clicking on this video. So the first couple of items, of course, are makeup items. You know I'm going to go down that makeup aisle first. I know some people like to go down the food aisle first. Me, I like to go down the makeup and the HBA aisle. That's just what I do. I walk down that aisle first. So I found some more e.l.f. cosmetics along with some Wet n Wild, the Fergie collection. And the Fergie collection ended some time ago, and I remember once it ended, Dollar Tree had a whole bunch of Fergie and Wet n Wild collection in there, like earlier this summer, and I picked up quite a few things. But today they had more in there. They have the eyeshadow palettes, and this packaging looks like it's done been through some things, but the actual product in here looks like it's okay. But I picked it up nonetheless. You know, it's $1 at the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you. It's still sealed, so the product hasn't been tampered with, but this is the palette. It's really pretty. It has some pretty colors in here, some greens and a gold there in the middle. I thought that was well worth $1. What you think? And I did have a purple one with purples and like a dark metallic-y pretty purple in the middle. Then they have one with blues. It was just really, really pretty, but child, I don't need all that makeup. So I picked up this one because I do love greens. If you follow me on Instagram or follow my channel, you know I would love to work with greens. So I thought this was really, really cool. I can find something to do with this. And then I picked up another one of the e.l.f. liquid eyeliners in Midnight. I am loving this eyeliner. I wish I would have picked up a couple of more then, but you know how these things are. Sometimes you can pick these types of stuff up and it just be straight trash. But this one's really, really good. I love the way this liner looks. I'm actually wearing it today, y'all. I like this liner. It's pretty awesome. Again, this is the liquid eyeliner by e.l.f. $1 at the Dollar Tree in the color Midnight. And I bought these two in my last Dollar Tree haul as well. So loving a good liquid eyeliner, y'all. I love a good liquid eyeliner. So I bought one of their moisturizing lipsticks. This is the only color they had. Sometimes they have 2 or 3 colors to choose from, and this is Razzle Dazzle Red, and this is from the $3 line by e.l.f. Let's go ahead and take a look-see. Now y'all, normally I'm notorious for swatching stuff in the store. Y'all would be so proud of me. I did not swatch. I just said, you know what, it's just $1. I'm just gonna pick it up and go. It's real pretty though. I love a good red lip. So that is the lippy. Kind of looks like the lipstick I'm wearing today, but this is a matte liquid lipstick by CoverGirl, one of the Melting Pouts by CoverGirl and Wedding Crasher. But this one's Razzle Dazzle Red. Really, really pretty. I love the formulation and the coverage of these $3 lipsticks by e.l.f. But again, $1 at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna drop this down in my purse. Alright, what else do we got, girl? What else do we have? So, this was kind of interesting. This is the Got To Be Spiked Up Max Styling Gel. So I thought I'd try this out and see what this is like. See if this is just as sticky as the Got To Be Glued. It looks real, real thick. And it smells real good. So we're going to see what this is talking about too, y'all. This was just $1. I don't know, guys. We might have something else to work with to lay them edges and lay them lace fronts down. Secure the wig. But you know what? It's sticky, but not as sticky as the Got To Be Glued. So I don't know. This may have been one of those things that'll just go in my travel bag. Just use it as a regular hair gel, but They do have the Got to Be spiked up if you're into that type of thing. This is a nice travel size. It's like 2 ounces worth of product. We'll just use the rest and just slick that half in the back. Slick it on up. What else did I get? Okay, this was a relatively good buy, y'all. They had bath bombs in the Dollar Tree by Spa Naturals, the luxury collection. And I got Lavender Dreams, and they're 3 in the bag. Nice, right? Look how big they are. That is a really, really good buy for the bath bombs. Alright, then next, I got 2 really cool, interesting things. I thought this would be something cool to try on my channel as well. This is the Omopay Foot Pedi Spa Nail Care System Treatment. It looks like one of those as seen on TV gadgets. But I picked this up. Looks like it comes with just some kind of motorized, handheld something other with some attachments to it. So we'll see how that goes. Now I usually go down to Creative Nail and let those girls handle my hooves, but we're gonna see what this is talking about, you know, get them heels in between spa pedicure treatment. So I thought it was kind of cool. Alright, and then next I have this Party Pink Spray Perfect Nail Polish. Now, have you guys ever seen spray on nail polish? Now, they have this in the Dollar Tree as well, so I picked that up. Y'all know I'm nosy like that, so I wanted to see what this do, you know? I've never tried anything like this. Now, I have some gel on my nails right now, but just for kicks, we're gonna spray it and see what it's talking about. Now, again, I have this in Party Pink, and I'm wearing some kind of pastel pink now, so it ain't gonna hurt nothing. We're gonna just give it a spray. I sure hope I don't mess it up. Maybe I should open a window or something. Well, let me read some directions. It says step 1, apply base coat. Oh, wait a minute. They didn't have what kind of base coat? They didn't give me no base coat. Apply a base coat on nails only. Allow to air dry for 3 to 2 minutes. Do not dry by blowing on the base coat. Cover, blah, 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 blah. Whatever. Let's just spray it. Let's just see what it looks like. I guess. Yeah, I could use a fill-in though, but yeah. That's interesting. Maybe I spray this on my toes. You know, this is good for that. Just pick your foot up and just spray it, you know? I guess. I don't know how I feel about this. It smells like an aerosol. Feels like it's instantly dry, but y'all, that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna go see if I can get this off my hands. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. What have I done?